All right, let's roll up some sushi magic. Today, I'm showing you how to make two of my favorites, a classic California roll with creamy avocado and king crab, and a spicy tuna roll with bluefin. Grab a sheet of nori, shiny side down on your bamboo mat. Wet your hands, trust me, this helps. And evenly spread about a cup of sushi rice across the nori, leaving a little gap at the top for sealing. Flip the nori over. Now lay out slices of ripe avocado, a generous line of king crab, and a few thin cucumber strips for crunch. Carefully roll it up, using the mat to press and shape. Slice with a wet, sharp knife. Look at those layers. For the filling, mix diced bluefin tuna with a spoonful of spicy miso and a sprinkle of finely sliced spring onion. Set aside. New sheet of nori, same rice spreading trick. This time, layer the spicy tuna mix down the center. Roll it up nice and tight. Wet knife again, trust me, it's key, and slice. That color is unreal. Want to take it up a notch? Drizzle a little spicy mayo on top of each piece and sprinkle with sesame seeds. And there you have it. Homemade sushi that's fresh, punchy, and totally doable. Don't stress about perfection. The best part is you made it yourself. Grab your chopsticks and dig in. If you want more quick recipes like this, hit subscribe and let me know what you want to see next. Thanks for rolling with me.